Blessings, blessings, everyone. This is Minister Patricia from Glorious Conqueror Ministries and Prophetic Seer Sage. I'm here to let you know that I am praying and praying and praying for everyone's safety during this devastating Category 4 natural disaster that has completely destroyed Florida straight through Tennessee, I believe it is. So we have North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, I believe Georgia as well. It went straight up and died down somewhere after Tennessee. I don't know the exact details, but I'm here, I'm praying for you, and as a missionary, I know how it feels to see this stuff in person. So I'm here supporting you, and I hope everyone here that is watching this supports you in whatever way that they can possibly do, whether it is prayers, financial support, handing out just a bottle of water, a cup of tea, a cup of coffee to help people settle down their nerves. There's a lot of people that are misplaced. And so this is what my passion is. I really see the need for missionaries right here in the United States. You don't have to go to a third world country to help out. We have a lot of things going on, especially with these natural disasters, fires, floods, storms, tornadoes, all of these things right here in the United States. So if this is your passion to become a missionary, you can do it right in your own hometown. I did local missionary work in New York City the entire time, almost my entire adulthood. I did a lot of local missionary work, giving out cups of tea in the winter to people, homeless people under the bridge, under the underpass, going to shelters, handing out clothes, all different types of things that you can do, volunteering in schools. There's a lot of ways to be a missionary. You don't have to go to a country outside of the United States. Look right in your own community. And if you are in a beautiful community, go to an underserved community and help out there. Okay? Go to one of these natural disasters and help out there. Now, my ministry doesn't have a lot of resources, but I tell you, whatever I can do, I will do. Whatever that looks like, whether it is making a bunch of sandwiches and giving them out, whether it is giving people resources to find housing, shelter, then I'll do that. Whatever God puts in my heart, that's how I serve. And that is my true passion. So again, I'm praying for all of you in the affected areas, South Carolina, North Carolina, Tennessee, Florida. So you're not alone. There's people across the world that are supporting you in whatever way that God provides for them to help you. So stay safe. Please, please, please do not walk in deep water, because there could be live electrical lines. There could be anything under that water. Okay, shards of glass, broken nails and wood, and things like that. Don't just go treading through the water. And condolences, my sincere condolences for those of you that lost family members during this natural disaster. And so this is some of what I've been seeing. Say something nice, leave something in whatever footage you're watching, leave a prayer, say something nice, supportive, okay? Always support your fellow human being. I know it's easy to criticize and say why you're here, why you didn't evacuate. That's easy to do. Do something that is productive and conducive, that is helpful for the next human being. Remember, we are supposed to be fellowshipping, and this is a form of fellowshipping by being an unofficial missionary. You don't need a title to be a missionary. You don't need to go to any school. All you do is give from your heart. That's it. God bless you all. Be safe. And I will see you in the next video. Prayers for everyone. Bye-bye.